Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Ismadania. We are from Group 5. Today we will explain about Allied Chemists Laboratory, the trusted testing laboratory in Malaysia.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ain. So here I will explain about company profile. Our company is Allied Chemists Laboratory Sdn Bhd that was established in 1998 as a leading testing laboratory which deliver the high quality of lab test and monitoring service which help the clients to meet the growing challenges of product quality, safety, environmental protection issues and social responsibility. Allied Chemists is recognized as the benchmark of quality and reliability. Allied Chemists team of experts offer professional service in delivering accurate lab test results, and with consultation, they are able to improve business performance and promote development. Allied Chemists is a ISO or IEC 70035 accredited testing laboratory by the Department of Standard Malaysia in the field of chemical and microbiological testing under the laboratory accreditation scheme. Their certificate is recognized by the International Laboratory Accreditation Corporation and also in countries which have entered into mutual recognition agreement with this organization. Allied Chemists Laboratory are also registered panel laboratory by the Ministry of Health Malaysia in both Food Safety and Quality Division and National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency. Allied Chemists technical experts are registered with the Department of Occupational Safety and Health as industrial hygiene technician and competent persons of noise. Allied Chemists core business can be divided into three categories, which is laboratory testing, industrial monitoring, and training consultancy. The first one is laboratory testing. These include chemical analysis and microbiological examination. Allied Chemists experienced chemists and advanced testing facilities can test the quality, safety and performance of clients' product by ensuring that they comply with the health, safety and regulatory standard. The second one is industrial monitoring. Allied Chemists comprehensive range of service in environmental monitoring and industrial hygiene monitoring help their clients to meet all relevant regulatory requirements and comply with the national standards. The third one is training and consultancy. By combining the local and international expertise and with Allied Chemists extensive experience in the industry, Allied Chemists enable clients to understand and monitor their products, process and system to meet all relevant requirements across different regions and markets.
Allied Chemists Laboratory Sdn Bhd is proudly accredited under ISO or IEC 17025 with the certificate number 191. This scope covers chemical analysis and microbiological examination. This accreditation ensures compliance with international standards, delivering high quality and reliable laboratory services. Also, Allied Chemists is registered with the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency and PRA Malaysia. The scope includes the analysis of pharmaceuticals and traditional medicines. This registration ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, guarantee high standard in quality assurance, active ingredient analysis and safety testing. This laboratory is registered panel laboratory with the Ministry of Health Malaysia Food Safety and Quality Division, specialized in food safety and qualified testing, ensuring compliance with the Malaysian Food Act 1983 and Food Regulation 1985. Allied Chemists Laboratory Sdn Bhd is also recognized under the ILAC MRA International Laboratory Accreditation Cooperation Mutual Recognition Arrangement. This means the testing results are internationally recognized by all ILAC MRA signatory countries, ensuring global reliability, competence, and adherence to internationally accepted standards. That's all for accreditation scope. Thank you.
Next, I will go into introduction and overview of this company, which they cover about the lab testing service by the Allied Chemists, which is chemical analysis and microbiological examination. One of the sample they test is water and effluent. Water pollution is a major global problem. Visually, human activities and industrial development are all the causes of water pollution. This form of environmental degradation occurs when the pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Water pollution damaging is not only to the individual species but also to the natural biological communities. Water testing has become one of the major concerns for authorities in different countries. Proper sampling and testing of water allows a knowledgeable approach to address the specific problems of a water supply. The analysis results play a very important functions such as to identify safety level of the potable water from potential contamination and to provide a data for appropriate wastewater treatment. Water microbiology is concerned about the microorganisms that live in water or can be transported from one habitat to another by water. Water can support the growth of many types of microorganisms. This can be advantageous. However, the presence of other diseases causing microbes in water is unhealthy and even life-threatening. Waterborne pathogens are a leading cause of disease and death worldwide. Routine microbiological testing of drinking water supplies is essential for protection of public health. Pathogenic microorganisms can cause intestinal infections, dysentery, hepatitis, typhoid fever, cholera, and other illness. Bacterial contamination cannot be detected by sight, smell, or taste. The only way to determine if a water supply is contaminated by bacteria is based on the detection of indicators of facial contamination. So, we should know that the Allied Chemist has the experience and instruments to provide accurate water, chemical, and microbiological testing results, where they offer a wide range of water testing and sampling, such as for drinking water, groundwater, and industrial effluent. Next, chemical analysis testing and microbiological testing is also covered about the food and feed testing. As we all know, food safety issue is a major worldwide concern. Almost every year, Allied Chemists will encounter news on food safety by manufacturers from different countries. Therefore, food testing is an indispensable step for processing food products. We must know that Allied Chemists is one of the leading laboratories providing food safety and feed testing service. They have 20 years experience in high quality analytical testing service with valid and credible test methods, as well as professional accreditation such as Panel Laboratory by Ministry of Health, Malaysia Food Safety and Quality Division, and also registered food analyst by Malaysia Food Analysis Act 2011 Section 18, and also Panel Laboratory by Ministry of Agriculture, Republic of Indonesia, Fresh Food of Plant Origin FFPO. Allied Chemists also help to implement a comprehensive food safety and quality strategies and achieve compliance with local, national and international regulation. Besides routine microbiological analysis to determine the levels of microorganisms in food, they can identify what the organisms are and whether they will affect the shelf life of the food, as well as investigating the source of contamination. Microbiological food spoilage and food poisoning are two of major concerns for food industries. Preventing food poisoning and reducing spoilage are an important part of product development and quality assurance. Allied Chemists offer chemical and microbiological testing for a wide range of food products such as bakery and pastry, biscuit and cookies, and canned food. I will also put additional sample for chemical testing, which is soil and fertilizer testing. We know that the quality of soil is important to the agriculture sector, particularly to estimate the kind and amount of soil nutrients available to plants. With the content of nutrient contained in the soil obtained by chemical analysis, it is able to determine the amount and type of fertilizer required. The three major compounds in fertilizer, such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, are often the concern of many planters in order to help their plants to grow well. However, elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, magnesium, copper, cobalt, sodium, boron, and molybdenum and zinc are just as important for plant development. Therefore, allied chemist analyst team is qualified to perform soil and fertilizer analysis according to national quality standards to meet people requirement in research studies, nutrient management, agriculture, and also environmental baseline studies.
Hi, I'm Harimadun. Today I walk you through the key services we offer and our focus on regulatory compliance. These are essential for ensuring product safety, quality and market acceptance. Services offered. Firstly, we provide chemical testing which cover raw material, finished product and intermediate. This help ensure compliance with critical standards such as food safety and pharmaceutical regulation. Next, we offer microbiological testing to detect harmful microorganisms in food, water and environmental samples. This is vital for industry focusing on healthy and safety. We also perform environmental monitoring. For example, we analyze water quality by measuring parameters like pH and turbidity, and we test air quality to maintain safe workplace environment. Lastly, our safety assessment ensure that workplace comply with healthy and safety regulation. Regulatory compliance. We are proud to be registered with key regulatory bodies including the Ministry of Health Malaysia for Food Safety and the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency for Pharmaceutical Products. Additionally, we hold ISO IEC 17025 accreditation which ensure our testing methods are accurate, traceable and internationally recognized. Value to client. All these services are certification bring immense value to our client. We help businesses meet regulatory requirements, provide reliable and accurate results for decision making, and enhance product credibility in the market. Together, these services and our commitment to compliance make us a trusted partner for ensuring safety, quality, and regulatory adherence.
Good day, everyone. I will briefly introduce ISO 17025 and how Allied Chemist Lab applies this standard to ensure high-quality testing and calibration results. This international standard is essential for laboratories aiming to deliver accurate, precise, and reliable data while maintaining customer trust and regulatory compliance. For staff competency, they ensure that team is highly qualified with professional register under IKM and regularly trained to keep up with evolving testing standards and technologies. Allied Chemistry also conducts a variety of tests, including water analysis for pH and heavy metal, and food testing for dietary fiber content. They follow globally recognized methods such as APHA and also AOAC, and use advanced technologies like HPLC, GC, and ICP-MS. Next, accuracy is achieved by validating instrument and method in line with ISO 17025. Also, traceability is maintained through certified reference material, ensuring results are consistent and reliable. The lab also applies ISO 17025 principle throughout their day-to-day operation from sample reception to final reporting. They perform internal QC checks and regular audits to ensure compliance with environmental and industrial regulation.
Hi, I'm Uminabila Shakira. So today I will briefly explain about quality manager role that accredited with ISO or IEC 17025. So quality manager have 10 roles that is quality management system implementation, internal audit, document and record control, management of non-conformities, customer and stakeholder focus, training and competence, data and performance analysis, management reviews, license with accreditation bodies, and continuous improvement. So for the QMS implementation, it is the primary responsibility of quality manager, such as to develop, implement, and maintain the laboratory's QMS. It will ensure it aligns with ISO or IEC 17025. This is also include documenting policies, procedure, and ensuring everyone in the lab understand and follow the QMS. For the internal audits and the management of non-conformities, it is another critical duty of quality manager. They need to conducting regular internal audits to assess the effectiveness of the system, and it also investigate the root of causes when non-conformities arises. So they implement the corrective action and ensure they are effective. For document and record control, they are managing the document and ensure the proper management of the documented document and SOPs. These include the up-to-date records and properly distributed record. For customer and stakeholder focus, the quality manager also ensure that customer requirements are met and feedback are handled effectively. For training and competence, they ensure all personnel that accredited are trained. They also promote awareness among the staff to comply with the QMS that accredited with ISO or IEC 17025. For data and performance analysis and management reviews, it is the same to monitor and analyze the quality related data, and it will provide a recommendation based on audit result. If there is non-conformities arises, they will solve it by implemented the corrective action. Lastly, continuous improvement. Then they identify opportunities for the improvement of the company, and they implement changes to enhance the efficiency, effectiveness, and compliance with ISO or IEC 17025. So for the company organization chart, this is the one that I found. There are three people that is known as general manager, laboratory manager, and executive manager. For the general manager and also a senior chemist, there are Mr. Soh Song Cho, and there is Miss Ng Beng Chu as the laboratory manager and also a senior chemist, and there is a Mr. Soh Yi Shan as an executive manager and also a chemist.